Hello, welcome to an episode of Spare Time Garden with Simon in a slightly different angle because, as you'll already have seen, the greenhouse has recently been destroyed by a fire. But today's job then is to continue to tidy up the garden and dig out all the plants that have unfortunately been damaged by smoke and fire, including the 2 silver birch trees that suffered intense heat and fire damage during the blaze. But yeah, so we'll crack on, have a bit of a tidy up, dig out the plants, and as always though, as they say, the phoenix rises from the flames, so it gives us an opportunity to rebuild, restart. It has set the plans back a little bit in terms of the landscaping journey that I'm going on, but these things are set to try us, and luckily there was no injuries in the fire and everything else can be easily replaced. So as always, enjoy. So today we're going to dismantle the greenhouse. Now it's all damaged by fire and the structure's warped, so remove all the glass and take down all the structure so we can get a new one. So that's today's job. That's today's job done anyway. So greenhouse cleared and skipped, ready for ordering of a new one. They've managed to put the fence panels back in. They've got some fire damage and burnt down. Just some replacement ones just in the gap to put in there. But another successful day. Just need to order a new one and then start digging this out. So the task continues. and I've managed to dig out the border now, dig out the plants, rake it over. Greenhouse is gone. Managed to dig around that. That gypsum bag is just full of older dead plants. It's all dug around here now. That's where the laurel's going to go. So all prepared, and the laurel should come next week. There you go. Bottom border. Everything dug out after the devastating and destructive fire. Not a bad weekend's work. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button, and please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy, and of course I'll reply. See you soon.